What's up guys, it's me, obviously, and I'm making souffles today. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. This is the earliest I've ever filmed. I don't want to talk about it. And today's actually my dad's birthday, so I guess it's kind of cool that I'm making these on his birthday so he could try them. We ordered these like forever ago. They're just like these are 4 ounces. The recipe says 6 ounces, but I mean, I think you can just make more, so. My mom had sent me a video like forever ago of us like, I think it was like 3 ingredients, and I can't find it because I switched phones and just it's gone. So I found another one that's like super similar to the one that she sent me. I haven't really read through the whole thing, so I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna have to like do some weird stuff. So I also have like a sponsor, TEAMI, and like I think like 2 weeks ago I got sent like the starter pack of it, and I chose like the 30-day teapots, and it comes with this one. It's called TEAMI Skinny, and this one is TEAMI Colon. This one will literally like clean your insides out. I died the first time I had it. The second and third time I was fine, like nothing really happened, but the first time. Then this one, it's just like a tumbler that came with it, and it comes with this. I still haven't used this, but it's nice. So I still haven't drank this one. You're supposed to drink it every morning, and you can reuse these leaves like I think like 3 times. And with this sponsor, I got sent a affiliate link and like discount code. So here's like the 2 discount codes, and if you want to check out their website, it's in the description, like on the very top. My code is EricaPack20 for 20% off on a $40 purchase, and then EricaPack15 for 15% off with $29. So I'm gonna make this one right now because I haven't made it yet and it's still early. You really, like, honestly, you don't need that much because they are like dehydrated leaves, so they get huge. Oh, and it has this in it, so like the leaves don't get in your mouth. Okay, so that's really loud. We're gonna ignore it. But with this tea, I legitimately needed it. Like, it was bad because I don't have a regular like schedule. Like, I don't know what's going on. It's been like 3 months that it's been bad, and so it's like I don't go to the bathroom. And this cleaned me out. Like, it was intense. And then you steep it, and depending on how long you steep it, the stronger it is. And the first time I did, I steeped it for like 10 minutes because I forgot. So that could have also been why. But yeah, so I really like this tea, and it comes with 15 tea bags. And they're like this cool satin, I don't know, like, because you guys know how like normal tea bags are. So like I said, it comes in like this cool like fabric. I don't even know. And I think I'm pretty sure they're vegan, so that's a plus. And this is like a biodegradable kind of material, and it's lasted me a pretty long time. I drink it every morning, and I reuse the leaves at least once a day, so I drink like 2 of these a day. And I just feel less bloated now because like I do mukbang with my mom, and we don't eat like super healthy food all the time, and like I don't feel as bloated as I usually do. So I do like this, and I think eventually I will buy another one. I hope there's enough butter in here. There you go. Moving on to the souffles. I've been trying to make these for like a month, but then I waited forever, and now it's my dad's birthday, so why not? We'll coat them right now just because it says to. Look how little they are. Okay, we're gonna coat these with cooking spray. This. So now it's like coated. It actually looks really pretty. I'm just gonna leave them up here, I literally just went like this to coat them. Looks pretty coated to me. So let's continue. Ooh, I have to do like those egg whites. I've never done that before. Okay, we got this. I also have just like straight egg whites, so that's cool. And it has like the 2 tablespoons for 1 large egg white. But anyways, okay, so we're gonna do the saucepan. Okay, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Okay. Two tablespoons. Flour. We have a bag of flour, I just haven't filled this. That's some chocolate. Now I'm gonna cook this. You can see me from there, so. Also, this is my mic. I didn't address that, but I just don't want to risk half my video being gone anymore. That's pretty much done. I don't know. We're gonna go with this bowl. Egg white. It's 2 tablespoons. Beat with a mixer, high speed until soft speed. How the hell? Something just ain't adding up here. Excuse me. Okay. What the hell? Ah, I did it. Okay. Close enough. I know baking is all about like measurements. Okay. Okay, I overbeat them and that's why it's doing that. 0.25 teaspoons? What does that even mean? Like a dash? That even looks like too much. Okay, that smells amazing. We're gonna try this again. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of egg whites. Place egg white in medium bowl. Stiff peaks. It's like liquid. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add it anyways.
The coconut
I'm making my own rules. Because nothing works out for me. Okay. So now we're just gonna go for it. Pretty sure they're not gonna turn out good, but we're gonna put these in the oven for 15 minutes. I'll come back. This is gonna be all cleaned up, and hopefully these will rise. You might hear my parents, they're looking for a drill. Pretty sure these are overcooked because I didn't let the stupid eggs puff. But we're gonna try it anyways. Oh no. Oh no, ma'am. No. They're so, it's like a hockey puck.
Are you okay over there?
They're literally hockey pucks. Like,
did they come out though?
They came out, but look, it's supposed to be a lava cake. It's like a dense brownie. It's so bad.
Oh, it looks good.
It looks good, but
that's all.
it's supposed to be creamy in the middle.
It's good.
Huh.
Well, it's hot, but it's good. Flavor Town.
Oh well. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna end the video. I might do this again, but not on camera. I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, all the links are down below. And let me know if you buy anything. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.